If you are a physician and you have a primary care office, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your primary care physician office business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding appointment, schedule, timing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your primary care physician office using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a welcome message in which they welcome me to the Pabbly primary care provider, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: book a visit, ask health question and about health program. I'm going to select about health program. As soon as I have selected about health program, they have delivered me a message in which they mentioned all the programs they provide, and with that they have given me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got the initial message again. Now this time let's book a visit. To book a visit, they want few details like my name. Now they want to know about the reason for your visit. I will enter a reason. Now they want to know any medical condition or current medication. I will enter that. Now they want to know about the appointment with date and time. As soon as they got every single detail, they have delivered me a message in which they tell, all set, your appointment is now scheduled. We will be expecting you at Pabbly, your prime care provider. Thank you for trusting us with your health. And with that also they have provided me 2 action button: menu and talk to support. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for physician office, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your primary care physician office. Now, after giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start. Keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all three features, let's get started. Today I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my flow start, and enter my welcome message, which says Pabbly, your primary care. Hi, welcome to Pabbly, your primary care provider. We are here to keep your health care for and connected directly through WhatsApp. How can I help you today? And for that, I'm going to provide few action button. To provide action button, I need to click on add button option and enter my text, book a visit. For my next action button, I'm going to enter ask health question, and for my third action button, I'm going to enter about health program. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with book a visit. To book a visit for my client, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and enter my message. Excellent. May I know your full name first? For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now after full name, I need to know about the reason they wanted to visit the doctor. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and enter my message, which says got it, what the reason for your visit or main health concern today. I'm going to select my contact custom field as problem and my format as any. Now after knowing about their reason or problem, I want to know about their current medical condition. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question, and enter my message. Would you please let me know if there are any current medication you are taking or health concern we should be aware of, like diabetes, high blood pressure, or allergy. I'm going to select my contact custom field as condition and my format as any. Now after knowing about their current health condition, I want to know about the preferred date and time they want to book their appointment. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and enter my message. When would you prefer your appointment? Please share a preferred date and time. We will do our best to accommodate you. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. Now, after asking all the important questions for booking, I want to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and enter my message. All set, your appointment is now scheduled. We will be expecting you at Pabbly, your prime care provider. Thank you for trusting us with your health. And with that, I'm going to provide two action button which says menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get this initial message again. And I'm going to give a separate message for talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and enter my message. A support team member will reach out to you shortly. We appreciate your patience and understanding. Now, after completing our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is ask health question. For that also, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and enter my message in which I ask my customer to enter their question like this. And for that, I'm going to provide my contact custom field as question and my format as any. Now, as soon as my customer enter their question, I will send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Thank you for trusting Pabbly with your health. We will get back to you soon with helpful information or guidance. With that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Now let's move to our third action button, which is about health program. To tell about health program, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all the programs that we sponsor. And with that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for primary care physician office. On to a last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.